everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today we're back with another monthly mini build from LEGO. This one is 40329. What was the date of it? September 2019, and it is a vulture eagle thing. Yeah, you'll see in just a bit. By the way, I won't be able to do monthly mini builds all the time. I mean, they're gonna come to an end at the moment. But hey, on the plus side, we could do other things anyway. So, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay. So first things first, we need to do the bottom of the vulture. That sounded a little bit silly. Anyway, a 2x3 base plate in white, and at the front, a 1x2 base plate in dark grey. Now, at the back, we're going to be using these brown base plates with handles, and that's going to be where the tail is attached. Now, moving on, we need to attach the legs, and we're going to have some short, stubby legs for this vulture eagle thing. So, one of these special angle base plates or something like that. Where does this go? It goes over here, slap bang in the middle. So, more 1x2 base plates, just in brown, one at the front and one at the back over here. So a nice little cute little base plate construction there. Now, a tall roof tile in brown at the back and at the front. I'm going to attach these special side attachment bricks in brown, two of them. They're going to go at the front over here, and a 1x2 base plate on top of that, just to close things off a little. Some 1x2 base plates with ball joints set into them. Here on the sides, these are going to be the little ball joint connections for the wings, and a 2x2 base plate in brown, and a 1x2 base plate as well here at the front. Now we're going to make the front feathery chest of this eagle. So for that, we will need a 2x2 base plate in brown and some of these dual sloping pieces in dark brown. One over here and another over there. Now we have a sloping base plate, which will stick at the front over here. Just easy like that. And that is the front tufty chest of our eagle. So we have a whole lot of other pieces to get through, and one of them that I've forgotten are the legs. These little 1x1 yellow base plates with clips on the front of them. These are going to be the little tiny yellow feet of our eagle. Sorry I forgot about them, but anyway, you just attach them and here, and they sort of look pretty good set in the middle like that. But anyway, moving on to the top. Back over here, we're going to be attaching these 1x1 side attachment bricks in cream color or sand or whatever, and a 1x2 base plate in white. The back over here, that's going to be the beginning of our tufty head of the eagle. Now, a side attachment plate at the front, done in cream as well, and some white fountain slope pieces that's going to angle the back of the head forwards a little bit. Looking good, looking good. Some small little white cheese slopes at the front, made in a sort of point on this side attachment plate. And we're also going to get a 1x2 yellow jump plate here as well, and that is going to be where our beak is going to go. So as for the beak, we're going to use a 1x1 small base plate over there, and this very special piece which jumps out of my hands is sort of like a pizza slice piece, very small, like a little tile. I'm going to stick that on this stud, pointing it downwards. There is a little pointy beak. Okay, so now moving on, we will need more feathers on the crest of the eagle, so we're going to be using these special angled slope pieces, one over here and its symmetrical brother on the other side as well. And what else do we need? Eyes. Okay, so to be eagle-eyed about this, we're going to be using the slanted eyes, which can be used for angry and sad expressions, or grumpy expressions. I'm going to put them on either side of these studs. Kind of gives you a sort of grumpy expression over there. Okay. Wings to fly like a bird. We're going to put that aside, and we're going to make wings. So, first wing is going to be a 2x4 standard base plate in brown. I'm going to flip that upside down. Now, on the one end of it, we're going to attach this special tooth piece. These are going to be the little feathers. This is done in black. I'm going to stick it over here like so. Now, a 1x4 base plate in dark grey over here, And let me get this right. A triangular wedge piece done in brown. Gonna stick that underneath there. That's gonna give it a little bit of angular design. A 1x2 base plate over here, upside down, and another 1x2 base plate with an open ball joint connection there. Stick that like so. And to connect the things nicely together, we're going to be using these inverted round tiles. That's just going to keep everything nice and well built together. Flipping it over, we have a little bit of space here, so we're going to attach this 1x2 tile in this little area over here, and that is one wing complete. Now we need to make the symmetrical brethren of this wing, so we're gonna make it we're gonna make it the other way around, if I can do so. So now that we have the other wing, all we need to do now is the tail. Before we attach everything back onto the eagle. So a double triangular wedge piece like this, like a trapezium sort of wedge piece. We're going to flip that upside down. Now at the short end, we're going to attach this 1x2 base plate with clips in it. And on the other end, this tooth piece done in white. Just like so. An inverted round tile, but in brown over here to keep everything nicely attached. And all we need to do is bring back our eagle, who flies in like gangster. So now we're gonna stick this wing over here, this wing into this ball joint, and the tail into the clips at the back. And there we done it. So there we go. Our eagle vulture complete. Well, I would say eagle. It's got a sort of white head and brown body and white tail, just like an eagle should be. More goofy than majestic, I would say. Nice that you can turn the wings around in different ways. I don't know. Nice that you can turn the wings around in different ways. Nice design, and I like the little stubby legs at the bottom. But that's the end of our video. So I hope to show more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!